ere kaka the country benefit because pod wan gi weche moko mang'eny. Ing'e ni some countries kata mana Dubai gini oyieni tero pesa but golo pesa is a problem. Tero pesa to yieni but golo pesa is what? A problem. Kata mana wan masra nyaka we think in parliament ni most of these investors mwamiyo opportunities kaegi. How do we make sure ni kata ka giloso pesa to we make sure ni reinvest pesa no locally. Iwinjo? Because gimoro ni ng'ato biro ka to o exploit our resources to koseloso pesa no to tero thurgi. It should be ni kanya kitere thuru, then it is taxed heavily. Kanya kiter pesa miseloso ka thuru, then you leave for us at least 30%. Apart from taxes mise chulo, ji mise ndiko, environment mise maintain. So aparo ni nyaka wari think ni kawarito legislation to wanyalo bedo exploited too much. We need to the even edoho mondo wanwang yo nyaka wa stop gi temporarily, not permanently. Mondo wa agree. Ma either government bro speed up legislation mondo these things will be put in place, or wabro bedo gi local agreements gi investors for the time being. There must be a stopgap measure. Mwanyalo wijirego kodgi ni this is what must be done. The Chinese beyo to bende giricho.
Nikech wang'eni jowa mathoth bende osebedo kala longi magi kuonde kunyo mula.
Yes, to gila longi magi mostly nwach equipment. Watime gimiluongo ni rudimentarily ok watime professionally gi equipments madwarore. So ananyalo mana wacho ni masaragi ni okony jopiny kikurit legislation. One look for alternative means. Okine kata mana wan say wan gi problem because Dominion name you a lot of things. Watimo rice is more favorable karthi than what ka people ringo environment better reserved. Okinyal compare rice gidi pidho niang Dominion and Governor Marwa is really concerned and pushing up and we are looking for ways and means. In any kunyal negotiate, then you have to look for other means to sort out your problems. So we want a lot of resources. Actually, jimangenyo kungeyo history of this country. Ni samane reru biro from Mombasa, kane reru biro Kisumu. Reru no kubiro Kisumu nwach Central Province, nwach coffee. Magine onge in their mind. Negi the Lake region because emane waniegi cotton. That time cotton was very important. Emane waniegi cotton kidhi kata mana Uganda side. Kawan gi very good coffee. To kata mana sani thurwa, Ugenya, Lego, Game. Those are very good potential areas for coffee. And one reason Momio wanjo Kenya as Juluo is because of the railway. Because up to 1901, ne wanjo Uganda. The border no be changed 1902. Why need Ramogi railway bed under one colony. Omio one got a lot of resources, one got a lot of opportunities. We just need to make sure no one apoyo and we say agitate enough. Now sani and loss of pesa.
Dakika na beach talk sare nyakorom gajonga kayo matin kwa duogo to koro adhi loso kutendere kod kepo magobila nandik benika obila alfa par nyakorom gajonga chendo manek beni na chakre chinti cha beach mar juma mokalo nyaka chinti cha ngwena mar juma ni chendo makamanya